Hi vitepos lover. It's the vitepos tutorial here. This video will show you the updated cash drawer settings, withdraw amount, and barcode scanning feature on vitepos version 3.0. So, let's get started. If you are new to our channel, then please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get more updated videos. If you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much for subscribing. First, we will see a single cash drawer feature. To enable this feature, you have to access the vitepos admin panel. Then under the setting module, click on the basic setting tab. Below you will find the enable single cash drawer option. Remember it. Now if you enable this feature, you cannot create multiple cash drawers on the same outlet with the same counter. This will close all drawers previously opened except the last drawer opened on any counter. If you disable it, then you have access to create multiple cash drawers on the same outlet with the same counter. Now users have the option to select their preference. How can you understand that the single cash drawer is enabled? For that, you have to access the POS. Now after selecting the outlet, we can see the previous counter information like who opened the drawer, when to open the drawer, and the amount already the drawer has. Also, you will get two new options. One is go with current cash drawer, which means go with this amount. And another is create a new drawer and close the previous cash drawer. If you click on go with current cash drawer, then we can see the all cash information that we previously had on the dashboard. Now to create the new drawer, we have to log out without closing the drawer. Now select the same outlet and counter. And this time we click on the new drawer. We see a notification come that say the drawer will close on create the new drawer. We also see a cash drawer balance input field where already get the previous balance. We do not change the amount, so we click on the new drawer button. Now on the dashboard module, you will see the new drawer will be created with the amount that we see when we create the new drawer. That's all about a single cash drawer. Now if you are an admin or the admin permits you to close the drawer, then you can access it easily from the drawer log. So click on the drawer log. Here you can see the new option to close any drawer that is now ongoing status. If you click on the close button, then you can print it, download it as a PDF, and can close drawer. By clicking on the close drawer button, the drawer will be closed. That is all about closing any cash drawer. On the dashboard, you now will get two new options. One is withdraw from cash drawer and another is show cash drawer log to see the current counter drawer log. Now we'll see the withdraw option. To see that, click on the withdraw option. Now we see that all payment methods total amounts and the current cash total amount of this drawer. Below you will get the option to choose two options. On withdraw amount, here you can select all amounts, otherwise select partial amount. If you select the partial amount, then you get the amount input field enabled where you can give the partial amount. Here we give some amount. And also select the withdraw and close option to no, and then click on the withdraw button. After the withdrawal, now we click on the log button, and here we can see the withdrawal information. But if select withdraw amount to all, then the input field will disable with all available amounts of the cash. Then you have to select withdraw and close to yes and click on the withdraw button. We can see that for closing the drawer, now it redirects to the outlet and counter choice option. After selecting the same outlet and counter, now we have to give the new amount for the new cash drawer. That's all about withdrawing from the cash drawer. Now we will see the feature of using the camera for barcode scanning on the large screen. It is those users who want to scan a product on a large screen like tab. To enable this feature, you have to access the vitepos admin panel. Under the setting module on the basic setting tab, you will get the option use camera on barcode scanning. Here you have to select a large screen also. Now click on the Save button. To see the result, access the POS panel by clicking on the View POS button. On the POS panel, if you click the Scan button, it will open the laptop camera. Now suppose if you are using it on a tab, then it will open the tab camera and you can scan the barcode with the help of the tab camera. That's all about barcode scanning on the large screen. That concludes our overview of the updated cash drawer settings, withdraw amount, and barcode scanning of vitepos. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.